All right, everybody, today it's Taco Tuesday. My wife's been on my head about making tacos. So I could have did asada, el pastor, carnitas, lengua, which is my favorite. But I'm gonna make a Jack in the Crack. Yes, well, Jack in the Box. Where I'm from, we call it Jack in the Crack. I'm gonna make a Jack in the Crack hack. You know those tacos that y'all eat at 4 in the morning when you drunk? This is it right here. And it's real easy to make. Have you ever seen any of my videos making this hack? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, I got my skillet preheated. When you make ground beef, you want it to be hot. So I'm gonna dump a pound of ground beef in. If you don't know about my taco seasoning, everything is a tablespoon. I just put a tablespoon of everything. Paprika, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon. All right, now we got our meat done. Looks good, tastes good. Just gonna add it to a bowl. Now we have like a half cup of refried beans. I wouldn't recommend using too much. I don't want y'all bloated and all that. We're basically just using it as a binder. You want to make like a paste, a ground beef paste. So I'm using refried beans and sharp cheddar. So I'm gonna just add that, incorporate that. And we're gonna add a little cheese. Perfect. Now you just wanna give your tortillas just a little light fry so when you fold them, they don't break. I see a lot of people, when they cook tacos, they got a big ass skillet and only fry like 1 or 2 shells. Man, throw all them shits in there. Just a little light fry, that's it. All right, now we're gonna make our tacos. Add some cheese, fold them, press down. Now it's time to fry these again. I'm gonna let these fry about probably 1 minute each side. All right, now we're just gonna add a little shredded lettuce and we're ready to eat. Jack in the Box tacos. But mine are better, of course. You can make more for a little bit of money, like a lot of them. Super Bowl is coming up. Fry 100 of these bitches, and I guarantee you, everybody, they're not gonna make it. Now they're using what y'all using?
I don't know.
Valentina. Valentina's
The
fire.
shit you always eat.
Looks like Jack in the Box.
What Papa say? Delicious.
Victoria's fire too.
I thought they both was oh, Valentina, Victoria. Okay. My first was Valentina.
Fire.
Now, if y'all pay attention, I always tell y'all, if we ain't talking, it's fire.
The refried beans are more of a binder with the cheese, but it adds creaminess to the meat. Fire. Melts in your mouth. Don't forget my taco seasoning. I will have it in the description.
I thought we was gonna sell that.
Yeah, we are gonna sell it. Well, they don't know how to make it.
We selling that.
All right, we're gonna sell it.
And we work on a sticker. Packaging.
But have you ever had these outside of Jack in the Box? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget Super Bowl. Fry 100 of these. I'm telling you, they're gonna be going fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.